Hey everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney, and I found a KIDKRAFT Ultimate Spaceship. That's what it shows. Science lab area and galaxy map projector. Try to get down and show it to you. So I guess you get inside of it. This is pretty cool for a Christmas gift. Interactive control panel, and this one is $197.99 on sale. They have 4 here, but they probably have more in the toy department, so I'll do some close-ups so you guys can see without, yeah, the light's terrible. Made for make-believe. And there it is. See you on the next video.